Ladies and gentlemen, welcome again to Travel Fine channel. Today we're visiting Dover Castle, an iconic place, lots of history here, beautiful day. Come with us, stay until the end, sit back, relax and enjoy the video.
Dover Castle is situated high on the white chalk cliffs overlooking the English Channel. There are two sacred places within the grounds of the castle. The Royal Chapel, which is located within the keep, dedicated to St. Thomas Becket, and St. Mary in Castro, a Saxon church rebuilt in the Victoria era. It is a medieval castle in Dover, in England. It was founded in the 11th century and has been described as the key to England due to its defensive significance throughout history. Hello guys, we've been into the gift and coffee shop for some souvenirs and some biscuits and tea and hot chocolate. We enjoyed our day here, so we highly recommend. If you like history, we're gonna love it here. The castle has been used by productions such as the Doctor Who episode The Mind of Evil, Wolf Hall, The Hollow Crown, and The Amazing Race 31. Dover Castle is a great action-packed day out for all the family, run through centuries of history, from the Roman lighthouse to the secrets of the Second World War.
It's a spectacular day, lots of nice views all around the castle, like this one here on a sunny day. Very nice. Before continuing, subscribe to the channel for more videos like this every week.
To the immediate west is the Dover Valley, and due to its proximity to the continent, the mouth of that river has served as a port for thousands of years. Dover, in East Kent, is England's leading cruise and ferry port. Yet Dover's most conspicuous attraction predates the era of steamships and super seacats. It looms over the harbour from a site above the chalk cliffs, distracting the visitor's eye from the maritime terminals and outlet shops that have taken over the city's waterfront.
that's the end of our visit to the castle. I hope you enjoyed the videos. Don't forget to give your like, share, subscribe to the channel, activate the bell for notifications for more videos like this ever.